पणजेचो नवो आमदार सिद्धार्थ कुंकळेकारान सोमारा पद आनी गोपनीयतेचो सोपूत घेतलो। सभापती राजेंद्र आल्लेकारान ताका सोपूत दिलो। सिद्धार्थान कोंकणीन सोपूत घेतलो। पणजेतलो कोयर आनी ट्रॅफिकाचो प्रस्न सोडोवंक पयली लक्ष घालतलो म्हूण सिद्धार्थ उलयलो। पक्ष दिता ती जबाबदारी घेवपाची तयारी सिद्धार्थान दवरल्या।
हांव सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकार गोंय राज्य विधानसभेचो सभासद म्हणून निवडून आयला म्हूण देवाच्या नांवान सोपूत घेता की हांव कायद्यान थारायिल्ल्या भारताच्या घटनेचेर विश्वास दवरतलो आनी भारताचें सार्वभौमत्व आनी भारताची एकवट राखून दवरतलो आनी जे कर्तव्य म्हाका लागू जालां ते खरेपणान पुरे करतलो। इतले व्हडा संख्येन म्हजे कार्यकर्ते आमचे सगळे वेल विशर आयले तांचे हांव सगळ्यांचे आभार मानता।
What are your immediate priorities?
They are going to be the waste management and traffic management.
What are your expectations? Do you expect a ministership?
I have never asked anything from the BJP Bharatiya Janata Party. Whatever responsibilities they have given, I have always tried to fulfill them to the level best, and I will do the same this time also.
31 मार्च मेरेन वास्को वर्णापुरीचे 4 लेन हायवे कुशीची अतिक्रमणां आनी गोरवांचे गोटे काडचे म्हूण नॅशनल हायवे ऑथॉरिटीच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी शिटकावणी दिल्या। परत हायवे कुशीक अतिक्रमणां करून गोठे उबारतल्यांचेर खर कारवाय करपाचे हायवे ऑथॉरिटीच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी थारायला। हालींच ऑथॉरिटीन वर्णापुरी लागसारचे गोटे काडपाक लायले। ह्या फुडें थंय परत गोटे दिसल्यार गोरवाकारांक भितर उडयतले म्हूण हायवे ऑथॉरिटीन शिटकावणी दिल्या।
They are playing with the lives of all the citizens of India who are law-abiding. I have broken it 4 times. We have given an order for fencing. They were interfering with the fencing contractor, not allowing him to do work. So, using the powers vested in me, I ordered their clearance. I requisitioned the police. Government of Goa has given me this vehicle pause, which they have got a tie-up to seize the vehicle. So today when they had come, some of them interfered, they saw the vehicle and they took the cattle and they ran away. Henceforth now I will put this place under police guard. I have cleared them off and I will fence the area. And if anybody interferes with the fencing or something, very stringent acts under the National Highway Administration which will be invoked, under which they are liable to 5 years rigorous imprisonment. There are some more elements, we shall go ahead, but these are the ones who are repeatedly coming. So by 31st of May you will not see anything there, hopefully.
वर्ल्ड कपान टीम इंडियान दक्षिण आफ्रिकेचो कुणो काडलो। दोनीचे टीमीन 308 रनांचे अर्धे टार्गेट काडटा म्हणल्यार दक्षिण आफ्रिकेक खरस मारले। 177 रनांचेर सगळी टीम गडगडली। ते पयलीं शिखर धवन, विराट कोहली आनी अजिंक्य रहाणेचे नेटार टीम इंडियान 300चो आंकडो पार केलो। धवनान 137 आनी रहाणेचे 60 बॉलांक 79 ह्या जैतान मोलाचे। धवन मॅन ऑफ द मॅच। भारतान पयलेच फावट वर्ल्ड कपान दक्षिण आफ्रिकेक मारला।
Great one-day wins that you'll see simply because it came with such intensity and such a huge margin against a team that was considered one of the favourites. It was a wonderful evening at the Melbourne Cricket Ground.
इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता। नमस्कार।
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट। You're watching Prudent.